Hi. So, if you think if you hate word problems and this video is for you, we're gonna solve this in the easiest way possible in few minutes only. So please watch this video to the end. So we've been given this example. If a ball is thrown into the air with a velocity of 40 feet per second, its height in feet after t seconds is given by y is equal to 40t minus 16t square. Find the velocity when t is equal to 2. So the most common mistake is this. Do not just start plugging the value into this like this. No. We've been asked about finding the velocity, which is rate of change, which is derivative. And if you guys remember the definition of derivative, and the most easiest one, as you know, there's two different variations of the, and we are gonna use this one. Limit is h approaches to 0, function of a plus h minus f of a over h. Okay, let's solve this from find the velocity when t is equal to 2. But before we do that, we need to find the derivative. Okay, limit is h approaches to 0 of this function t plus h function f of t divided by h. Okay, this is equal to, so what is f of t plus h? We're just simply gonna plug in here, right, into the function 40 t plus h minus 16 t plus h square minus f of t, which is simply 40t minus 16t square divided by h. So let's simplify this expression a little more. 40t plus 40h minus, we can apply the a plus b square formula here. So this is, if we simplify this expression, it's t square plus h square plus 2th a square b square plus 2ab. So we're going to multiply now 16 with this to simplify this expression here. So there's a negative sign here, right? So 16 t square negative time 16 times h square is negative 16 h square times negative 16 times 2 is 32 th. Negative times 40t is negative 40t. Negative times negative 16t square is plus 16t square divided by h. So let's cancel out the terms we can. So 40t, this is cancelling out. 16t square minus plus cancelling out. So what we are left with? limit as h approaches to 0, 40h minus 16h square minus 32th divided by h. Let's see we how simplify it. So we can see it, h is common, and this is also multi. We can also factor this if we take 2 out, right? Okay, okay, let's take 2h, because 20 times 2 is 40, right? So 20 times 2 is 40h minus 8h, 16h square, and then minus 16t divided by h. So h is going to cancel out here, and then again you can multiply here as negative 16h negative 32t. Oops, I completely forgot 20. We have 20 as well, right? 20 times 2 is 40. 40 minus 2 times 8, h is 16, negative 16h, and then 2 times negative 16t is negative 32t. Okay, now we can apply this as the h approaches to 0. So what we are left with is 40 minus 32t. This is f prime of this function, right? The derivative, feet per second. So now we've been asked to find the velocity when t is equal to 2. Now that we have the rate of change, the derivative of this function, and we can simply just plug in the values in this one, right? Find the velocity when t is equal to 2, which is t of 2 is equal to 40 minus 32 times 2. This is equal to 40 minus 32 times 2 is 2 to the 4, 3 to the 6, 64, and which is equal to 64 minus 40, 4, 24. And 64 is negative here. So we are going to write negative 24. Since we've been asked find the velocity, so it's important to write this as well, feet per second. And this is our answer. Please follow my channel if you like these videos or find these helpful. Thank you.